Hey there, Java enthusiasts! Welcome back to Coder Squad, where we simplify Java concepts for you. Today we're delving into a crucial aspect of Java programming, importing packages in Java. In Java, packages are a way to organize and group related classes and interfaces. They help in avoiding naming conflicts and organizing code efficiently. Today, we'll focus on importing packages, specifically the commonly used java.util package, and the scanner class within it. Before we dive into importing, let's quickly understand what packages are in Java. Think of packages as containers that hold related classes and interfaces. They help in organizing and categorizing code, making it easier to manage and reuse. Now, let's talk about importing packages. In Java, when we want to use classes from a package in our code, we need to import them using the import statement. Let's take the java.util.Scanner class as an example. When we write import java.util.Scanner, at the beginning of our Java file, we're telling the compiler that we want to use the scanner class from the java.util package in our code. This allows us to create scanner objects and use its methods without specifying the full package name every time. Now that we've imported the scanner class, let's see how we can use it in our programs. The scanner class is incredibly useful for taking user input from the console. And that's a wrap on importing packages in Java, focusing on the java.util.Scanner class. By importing packages, we can leverage the power of existing Java libraries and make our code more efficient and concise. I encourage you to experiment with importing different packages and classes in your Java programs. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with utilizing Java's vast ecosystem of libraries. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!